Okay, let's start the presentation about barbecue. As you know, here at the north of Mexico, the barbecue and the carne asada, it's a passion for many people. It doesn't have to be Sunday to prepare a barbecue or a carne asada, as we say here in Monterrey. So I have a couple of slides that we are going to talk about. How is the process? How is the preparation? And all of these things. Okay. This is the first slide. Barbecue and carne asada, a griller's passion. It's presented by myself, Esaú Roberto Galindo Contreras. And let's move to the next slide. What is a barbecue for us? Barbecue is more than cooking. It's a social ritual uh, that involves a slow cooking meat over indirect heat, most of the time, or often using wood or charcoal to enhance the flavor. In this case, the wood, it depends of the kind of wood that you are using, but that apport a different flavor as you mentioned. For example, in my case, I prefer to cook with wood instead of charcoal because I like it's like a tradition. The preparation of the wood. You can have a beer or a beverage, whatever you want, with your friends, and it's something that you really enjoy. You know, the essential thing that a carne asada must have. Carne asada is a staple in northern Mexico. As I mentioned, it's usually feature beef cuts like aguja norteña or arrachera, seasoned and grilled over open flame. Aguja norteña and arrachera are very common here in Mexico. Maybe this cut is not so common in other parts of the country, but here at the northern of Mexico, it's very common. There are several cooking techniques, but the technique that I will be focused is the direct or indirect heat, the searing for crust, resting the meat after grilling, and using the thermometer for perfect doneness. Uh, when you rest the meat after grilling, it uh, it works to avoid lose the juices of the meat, so the meat can be most juicy. You know, the preparation of the meat usually it's a key for flavor and tenderness, and the most common ingredients that we use is the lime juice, garlic, cumin, salt, and pepper. And after you put all the ingredients, usually you have to let it rest in a room temperature before really to absorb all the flavors, right? Some sides that we are using on a barbecue, uh, one typical or the most typical sides include grilled onions, guacamole, tortillas, and beer. Those are what we like here in Monterrey. I forget to put the sauce because the sauce or salsa is something that it doesn't. It's a must for a barbecue, you know. As I mentioned, it's not just food; it's a tradition. Eh, and well, basically, this is the my presentation. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you are uh, hungry and you don't have an idea what to eat, you can have an idea right now. Thank you.